What's up, y'all? It's your boy Lil Lottie, aka Luda the Shooter, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell from the title, we got some more of that good stuff. Yes, sir, from the good folks at Hat Club. I'm telling you, man, these are becoming like my favorite packages to get on my front doorstep. You're gonna see why, man. No long introduction, we're gonna get right into it. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Alright, so boom. Some of y'all might have seen the last video that I did for Hat Club. It was an unboxing of the green eggs and ham collection that they did a couple months ago. And since then, I've gotten a couple more hats in, but I didn't do videos on those. But this one that I got today, I had to do a video on just because it was something so different and so just like out of the ballpark that I thought y'all might want to see. I'm gonna just go ahead and just open this up on camera. Boom. Regular box, y'all know what it is. Here we go. Oh, bruh. Okay, first and foremost, this is hard, dude. Hey, Luda the Shooter, y'all know this. They do the little camera right there with the click. Come on, bro, that's hard. And on the back, we got cotton candy flavored. I would not suggest on licking it. Hat Club. Hat LOL. Here we go. This the good shit. So before I get into this one, I'm gonna just say just a couple things. The one that I have on my head, if you didn't already know, this is from the last pack that they did, the last big collection that they just dropped, which is the Louis V Red Bottom collection. This one, when they dropped it, automatically knew that I had to have it just because this is just my style, right? Black, white, and red. Like, this is just totally my style. However, when this first got previewed, I really didn't know how to feel about this. I don't really do colors. I don't really dress with colors. And this is just the most colorful shit that I have in my collection. So it's just like way outside of my comfort zone. That's why I actually wanted to make this video, just because I figured that since it's something that's so like left field, I thought some of y'all might want to see it first before you buy it. So with that being said, we got the Cotton Candy Pack, which is the brand new collection that Hat Club is about to drop for pre-order. Some of y'all might recognize this specific one. This is the one that Davey dropped on Instagram, and I think this was everybody's first look at the Cotton Candy collection. And when she posted this, just like the internet kind of went nuts, like within the hat community or whatever. Just everybody was in love with this shit, and just the hype was through the roof. And I'm like so lucky I was able to get my hands on this one. But even besides like all the hype beast stuff, like honestly, this is actually just really my favorite one from the pack. And the reason why I decided to go for this one is because the logos and the side patch, they didn't change the colors. Like, they kept the original 10 colors. But the only thing that they really did is right here on the Arizona logo, they added like a pink drop shadow just to tie it together. Just a nice little twist, but it just works. So besides that, like I said, Arizona Diamondbacks logo, 1998 inaugural season side patch. This is one of my favorite side patches, just period. Right here on the back, you got the flat Batterman with the pink on the inside. Right here on the side, you got a tonal New Era flag, which y'all should be used to that by now. And then everybody's favorite part, you got the pinky, the pink under visor, and then you got black guts, straight, simple, and to the point. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on for y'all so you can get a look at how it looks like when you actually wear it. But my hair looks crazy, so I'm not doing that on camera. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all ready? Yes, sir. So I don't really do colors. This is something like completely out of the box for me. And I know a few of y'all might be in that same situation, so y'all might be on the fence as far as like buying from this collection. But I just wanted to show y'all what it would look like if, you know what I mean, just like you try something different, you know. Hat Club already did their like regular drop on the website, and of course it sold out like in 15 seconds flat. So if you want to get yours, Hat Club is getting ready to do a pre-order. I don't have the exact dates on that just yet. I will let you know when I find out. So overall, I'm super happy with this. Definitely got a new one in the rotation, and yeah, man, it's lit. Oh, also very important, don't forget, follow your boy on Instagram at Luda the Shooter. I'm almost at 1K, trying to get my numbers up so I can start doing giveaways and cool shit like that. And feel free to message me and all that stuff, man. I love talking to y'all. Down in the comments below, let me know if y'all are feeling the unboxing videos. I'm trying not to get too repetitive with my content or whatever. I like watching hat videos. Some of y'all might not, but just let me know what y'all think. Let me know if y'all rocking with the Hat Club unboxings. But I'm definitely rocking with Hat Club though. Shout out to the plug, you know who you are. And it's lit, man. Once again, it's your boy Lil Lottie, aka Luda the Shooter. Shout out to Hat Club. Don't forget, sanitize, mask up, glow up, don't slow up. That way, yeah.